What's going on, guys? It's CJ with Vision Hardscapes coming back at you this morning. We are going back to our two-tier patio that we've been building. The last video, we were getting all the boulders out with the excavator. Since then, we've had some really bad weather still in Buffalo. Tons of rain every day, so I'm trying not to bring the camera equipment out when it's raining. The shots don't look very well. I get tons of rain on the lenses and stuff like that. So we actually did get the dig out done, the base done, and the whole top outline of the wall and the step for the top patio. So today we are going to go in there, we are going to finish all the caps, let the caps set up, we have to bring a little more base in, screed everything out, and then start laying pavers in. We're doing a grill island on the top patio, and we are also doing a flower box, which is going to be pretty cool. So it shouldn't be that hard. We should be able to kind of wrap this whole job up by the end of the week. I am going to be filming every single day this week, so if you do want to see the construction of this two-tier patio, please make sure that you guys are subscribed to the channel and like, and any comments you have, I am answering. So let's get right to it today. All right, we're on site now. We are going to start setting up. Just give you a little show of the truck. Our dump trailer. Like I said, I picked up some screed this morning. Number 9s or 1As, whatever you guys want to call them. It's something different everywhere you go. But like I said, we are going to get some base in and some screed. Here's the 750 you seen in the last video. We picked that truck up last year. Only has 80,000 miles on it. It's a great rig. Alright. The highway of mats. Alright, so the last time you seen this, we had the boulders, the whole boulder wall around there. This is all obviously built up now. We put a ton of base in there because we're going up 15 inches. We did a little bump out right here for a lower step. So you got a lower step onto this top pad. So we're going to finish these caps this morning, get those all glued around, and then wait for them to set up a little bit, bring the base up just a little bit more, and then we're going to screed out and we're going to build our patio. Like I said, there's going to be that grill is actually going to sit right here. There's going to be 2 columns on each side of it, and then like caps as well, you know, so like little end tables. And then right here the customer wants a flower garden, so, or like a raised flower box. I think I'll throw the render of this job in this video so you guys can see what it's going to look like by the end of the week. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the time lapse up again and just get to it this morning because we got a lot to do. Like I said, I want to try to finish this job by the end of the week if possible. So that's the plan, and let's get to it. Alright, so we got all the base in on the lower level. Set up string lines, use the U-level to put our pins, and then we compacted it. That is our new compactor from Bartell. I'm going to do a full review on that one coming soon. It's a reversible compactor, so if you want to see that, like I said, make sure you're following. We got the screed rails done up here. Problem is we ran out of caps for that side, so we do have our order coming in very soon from our supplier. So pretty much to start them, for now we're just going to screed out these first 2 lines, and then we'll worry about that side later today. So the plan was to get this whole thing done today, pavers, the border block, everything, and then we'll start worrying about the grill island and the flower box later. This part down here should be relatively pretty easy for us. It's not a very big area, it's just the access. So we're gonna have to screed out and then work our way back in. So that's the plan. So when we come back from after lunch, I'll set the time lapse up again, and we will show you the screed out process, and hopefully our material's here by then. All right, that's about a wrap for today. Really good progress for today. Got all the caps done over here and started laying in the patio. So tomorrow we're going to tackle down there. We are going to rent a machine for tomorrow so that we can bring the pallets of pavers right over to us, because that neighbor does not want us bringing a skid a couple feet onto his yard, so it's just kind of slowing the process down a little bit. So like I said, tomorrow we're going to get this whole thing laid in, finish up everything over here. There's going to be a grill island over here, like I said, with columns, the flower box. So make sure you guys are subscribed, and yeah, wait for tomorrow's video.